Today we'll be going out on the educational vessel Discovery that is replicating a research vessel. So we will pull a trawl net, we will sample what's out in our estuary today, and we'll measure water quality just like researchers do. We do field trips for K-12 students that are talking about the research that's done here at the Marine Resources Division. So that includes doing dissection, salt marsh exploration, learning about sea turtles and oysters, and going out on our educational vessel, the Discovery. It's always exciting when we pull in the net. We always tell our passengers it's just as much of a surprise for us as it is for them, because every day it's different out here. But we do know a little bit what to expect, but there's always a surprise there every now and then. Stingrays, seahorses, my personal favorite, the striped burrfish. On the EV Discovery, we do travel up and down the South Carolina coast. We are here in Charleston part of the year, and the other part of the year we're at our field station in the Ace Basin. So we strive to reach as many South Carolina counties as we can and travel up and down the coast just like our research teams do. I love my job because I get to talk to people and share things that I'm passionate about, and the work that we're doing here at the Marine Resources Division, letting kids see it for the first time and see the estuary. A lot of the times it's the first time students have been out on a boat. And I know that these experiences are important because when I was in 5th grade, I went on a field trip at the North Carolina coast, and it stuck with me ever since. It's really awesome to see the students that come out on our field trips, and a lot of times this was the spark that got them excited.